Just get that on film.
Baby just got his dinner. Woo! Is that a squid?
Yeah.
Nice one.
Yeah, it just went all over the boat.
Yeah. You're a messy one sometimes.
Can you get a bucket?
Nice. Woo! Oh! Ryan! We just got a nice wash from the rain. Oh, and the window's open. Oh. How bad do you want them squid? Well, apparently the locals use the squid ink to do some drawings, so... Oh.
No.
Maybe we can bottle some of this up and trade it.
Maybe I can tattoo you with squid ink.
Ah, yeah. I love it.
On your face.
Okay, let's tattoo a squid. Baby, you got it in our bed.
Whoops.
Oh. So how many did you catch?
I ended up with 7, which is
7?
Not huge ones, but enough for a little feed.
Enough to paint the whole boat?
Yeah, I think everywhere. That's right. Makes it like army colors, kind of blends in with the scenery. You know,
nice
stealth
squid
mode.
ink into our bed for a nice scent while we sleep. What have
And
we
live
wanted?
amongst it, you know, get all them scents and smells.
Well, I'm excited for dinner.
We're Ryan and Puppy, and this is Once Upon a Reef.
In this documentary series, we sail through the Solomon Islands Western Province, showcasing its unique culture, deep-rooted traditions, and island way of life.
With over 50 meters of visibility, we dive deep into some of the clearest waters on Earth.
On a tight budget, we survive off the ocean and what we brought to trade.
If you're into raw adventure, sustainable living, and untold island stories, hit subscribe and come sail away with Skateaway.
Ooh, that was a good one. Day 2 snorkeling. Looks
Yeah.
so beautiful out.
Yeah, had a beautiful morning doing some yoga on the back deck, watching the sunrise, nice conditions. So yeah, we're gonna get in the water, go for a look around these cool little islands. That are these like teeny miniature models of the bigger islands, like a limestone rock shoots up and then covered with lush rainforest, and then lots of birds nesting.
And looking pretty clear, so let's
Yeah.
go.
Beneath the blue, I dive and fall. Breath held tight, no chains at all. A shark glides near, my silent guide. I follow free, with wonder wide. Through coral caverns, ancient and grand, we drift in peace, no fear at hand. Light shafts gleam a silver seam, I chase the glow, pursue the dream. Pulse stays calm in tranquil blue, I leave the deep with all I knew.
We just got back to the boat after some snorkeling, and there must be, I don't know, maybe 50 squid surrounding the boat. Ryan has already jumped on catching them. We haven't even opened the door.
Can you see them in the thing?
I don't know.
They're all like...
Oh no, you're gonna sting me!
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, you got him, you got him! Oh. Nice one. Keep the boat clean. Oh. So many. Probably because the boat's so freaking dirty. Wow, I don't know if I've ever seen this many squid in one setting.
Squeeze them a little bit, and they all come in.
Dirty. Yep, all the ink squid, or the ink, well, the boat, everything is real dirty.
Living on a boat teaches you to move with the rhythm of the sea, to slow down, to breathe, to let the day unfold. There's only so much you can do before the sun sets, and that's enough. We spend our lives chasing time, always working toward a someday when we can finally rest. But maybe rest isn't something we earn. Maybe it's something we choose. Sometimes the most beautiful thing you can do is nothing at all.
Muscles. Nearly there. Just about. Last bit. Come on. Give us that smile. Yeah.
Which is such a rare thing in the Solomons.
Yeah, very rare.
Well, this time of year in the summertime. Jesus, we never sail.
No, so it's really exciting to get the sails out and move along by the wind.
We had to leave the island we were at pretty quickly. We were only there for like a night. But the wind picked up. It's done exactly opposite to what the wind has said, which has been our entire time being here.
Yeah.
Every time it says it's northerlies, it's southerlies. When it says it's flat, it's really windy. So,
so you just live in the moment and move with what it is.
We decided, all right, this means we're gonna go. No more snorkeling for now.
Yeah. So we're gonna go to Tolina, which is famous all around the world for their wood carvings.
Yeah, apparently Solomons has like the best, highest quality wood carvings in the world. At least that's what the Solomons people tell us.
And this is one of the recommended places within the Solomons.
Yeah, I think the #1 spot in Solomon Islands.
So we're gonna go check that out. and see what we find.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See what we can trade for.
Yeah.
What happened?
Well, the wind's gone.
Just like that.
Just like that. We're at about 2 seconds doing 6 knots, and now we're doing 0.8.
2 seconds of joy, and then just
Gone. No wind. No wind, Solomons.
Appreciate your sound, needed renovation.
Went you for the second time before the wind drops.
And we're back sailing again.
We stopped, ate a little quick bite, and then the wind come up again. So we raised the sails and went.
Oh, Solomons.
Appreciate your sound, needed renovation.
Six knots. Gonna blow all the barnacles off the bottom.
Yes.
Sure, the squid won't be happy about that.
Yeah, you might lose your family of squid. Even the wind turbine is turning.